item and the part that we are going to discuss today, because we will first complete the entire part of the item, and
Yep.
then we will slowly and gradually assign everything to that item.
Okay.
When I
Okay, good.
say assign means this part.
Yep,
So when
let's
we
try
go
this.
to when we go to any item,
Yep. Okay, let's look. Let me see whether I've done correctly.
I was just looking at it. So 7:30, internal.
Can I check when they ask about duration? Duration means the entire session, is it? Because I don't understand. Some of them mention duration hours, some mention hours.
Yeah, so I don't have access to edit this one, but you will have because we created it. So
Oh,
email
okay.
notification, online content, everything we will come, right? So let me show you how. If I go here,
But I think you can edit because everyone can access, so you have the admin access to edit this. You try email notification. I think you can edit
I can't. I don't know.
because you access this, so you should be no problem because it's everyone can access to this.
Yeah, I'm clicking on it, but it doesn't work. Maybe some issue. No problem. Let me refresh.
Refresh again and see. Maybe there's some issue.
Yeah, it's system issue. Yeah, you're right.
I think the website having issue now. It's that frozen.
Okay, let we'll go to that. I'll check it how you have created. Well, let's
Okay.
go to let's not waste our time. Let's go to the next part. You
Okay.
already created this, and now we will create the other parts like agenda. We will add other things, and then we will add all these things into the item to complete one item. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So let's talk about curricula. Okay. So what is curricula? This is nothing but a group of items.
Mm-hmm.
Curriculum is a group of one or more items for the purpose of assigning and tracking as a single entity. Like
Mm-hmm.
I have, let's say, 5 or 7 mandatory trainings. Whenever you join any organization, what happens? You have 5 or 7 mandatory trainings that you need to complete. Right. Now, instead of assigning you one by one 5 or 7 different objects or items, why can't I create a one, curricula which says mandatory training? Under
Mm-hmm.
this curricula, I have all those 5 or 7 mandatory training. Yeah, and I don't assign you one by one. I assign one by one items, but I assign you the entire curricula. Once I
Okay.
assign you that curricula, automatically all the trainings which are attached to it, mandatory, non-mandatory, are automatically assigned to you.
Okay.
Right? That makes sense?
Yes.
Because I don't have to do it or track it one by one. I can just track the entire curricula, and all the mandatory trainings which are attached to it will be tracked.
Okay. Is
Yeah.
this curricula only for instructor led or it can be used for online also?
Online, anything that, as I mentioned, mandatory training, any training that you
Oh,
have used.
anything. Oh, okay. Okay. Makes sense.
So, like, see, advantage of using curricula. A curriculum status will show whether a user has satisfied all the effective requirements, so it may be tracked as completed or incomplete as a whole. Means mandatory trainings. I assigned you 5, and I assigned you one curricula with 5 mandatory trainings. So that curricula will not show you your status completed unless you complete everything.
Okay.
So curricula provide the functionality to recalculate required by dates or items to have completed but must be repeated on a recurring basis. There are some trainings or mandatory trainings that you have to do every 6 months, 1 year. So the curricula doesn't get expired, that automatically gets assigned to you. And all the mandatory items will be assigned to you automatically or repeated automatically due to by the due date, let's say 6 months, 8 months, whatever. Yeah.
Yep.
And this is very theoretical part, like item can be used one or multiple curricula with different dates and requirement setting. This is very important, like one item can be used in one or multiple curriculum. This is a part of your certification question also,
Mm-hmm.
that can I attach one item to different curricula, yes or no? You say yes. Yeah.
Yep.
Modification made to curriculum have an immediate impact on our on all users who have the curricula currently assigned. Curricula can be associated with job position assignment. These are all very important part for characteristics. Sometimes you get one or more than one questions from these characteristics. The curriculum can be assigned on a priority level. Levels are numeric, global, configured up to 10. So these all things are very important.
Okay.
The main concept, this part two is curricula can have one or two status, completed or incomplete. The complete status is achieved when any one of the following occurs, means all required items are completed. The effective date of each item is in future. Some of the required items are complete and the remaining required items have an effective date in future, or the requirements have been met as described in the curriculum. So whatever these things characteristics are, if you follow this, you'll be able to understand the theoretical part in this segment.
Okay.
Let's go to the next one. Okay. Curriculum ID is unique identifier recipe success factor that database has. The ID can be anything, however, it is strongly recommended that an enterprise-wide naming convention of curricula should be established. Now, that is the beauty of this document. After 2 or 3
Mm.
slides of theoretical part, you jump onto this practical one.
Oh, okay.
Now, the another best part is first, system shows you everything by itself.
Watch.
Then you
Oh,
said, okay, I understood it. You can practice it by your own. You don't even have to go to your system. You
okay.
can do it simultaneously, but if you want, you can try it from there. And at the end, you can download the document from there. Yeah, so let me show you the curricula, how it looks like.
Okay.
So I click on it. Yeah. In this
Oh,
exercise, we will add a new curriculum.
cool.
How do I do this? I say, okay, let's go and see this. I click on it. System clicks on learning activities
Mm.
automatically. I'm not doing anything now.
Oh, this fun. This is really good, man.
Yeah. Then
Yep.
click on curriculum. Creating a duplicate curricula uses track search criteria.
Yep. This is.
Add new. Now in new window, you enter the curriculum ID and everything.
Yeah. So the security domain that is only restricted to certain group of people, right? The last time you
Yeah.
mentioned.
So through security domain form, I
Ah, so it gives
restricted
to
it
HR.
that this will
Ah,
only, yeah,
to
this will
HR.
only.
Okay. So
We'll
if
talk
there's
about
no,
that domain.
okay, but if there's nothing, you just leave it normal, right?
When you leave it, it's never normal. Like it automatically goes to the default one.
Oh, the default. Okay, got it. Okay.
So this is how you can add it, or maybe whenever you want, you can just download all the documents. I completed here. Main areas of curriculum entity. Now you
Oh,
know the practical things, but system will now show you things in detail. Like when you go to a curricula, there will be some action plan. So header area. This is your header area.
oh,
Tab area. There is a tab area. And then it will start explaining about the curricular entity. That if there is a curricula that you're creating, there will be a field called tile. What does that mean? How description is there, creation date, security domain, identified domains, ownership. Yeah,
mm-hmm.
all these documents are there. So this is how you will be able to run this. So let's see, navigate and do everything. Let's go and try this in our system once. I mean,
Okay.
that's a when I do provide it to you, you can practice on this document itself. Yeah? Like you keep on clicking associate items with the curriculum. See how do I associate one? content for any curricular to a particular item. So see, this is also very good. There is no limit to the number of items that you
add to
can add.
program. Okay.
And here you define everything. Let's go to our system. Like to learning
Learning.
techniques.
Okay. Curriculum.
Add and from here as it is
This is similar to what we have just now. Okay.
Class.
Oh yeah, so default is public for here. Yeah. Default is public. And add. Okay.
Click on add. And now I can add all these things that we were looking at.
So we need to add all the cost. Means one to have the content, one we created all this online content, we just add them into it.
See?
Oh.
Items. I want to add
cool.
Items. Make a blank search.
You just add, just can add any one of them in. Oh, so which means if I have 5 items, you must attend all the 5 courses. Like this is a new manager course. Please attend all these 5 sessions. Make sense? Wow. Display order. Which one must go must attend first? Cool.
Just like that, I go to categories. If I want to add categories to this, I'll click on the plus sign. And I will add any category that I want, like BSF or whatever. Then assign profile.
What does assign profile again?
This is very important. Assignment profile. Through assignment profile, you will create a profile for a user. Like I am from LMS team. That's a development team. There will be a profile that will be created that for learning anybody. Yeah.
Okay,
got it. When you log in or when you get here, these are the things that you have to complete or will be available.
Okay.
And we have libraries. Libraries is nothing just like our libraries that you go to. Like I go to a library, I get a lot of documents or
okay.
So you can attach these libraries to different items. So whichever library you attach it here, that entire library will be assigned to you. All documents which are attached to it, that library you will be able to
okay. This library is provided that we have, right? If we don't have, then no choice.
We created for ourselves.
Oh.
We can also create libraries. See, there is library. Will come.
Okay.
And just like that, document links, job code, everything you assign here. And when you do that, you have action to this curriculum. You can assign it to somebody. You can keep it on your cover page. Send this via an email. Copy, delete, deactivate, or create curriculum classes.
Create means starts then. What does create? What is the difference? We are creating a curriculum, and now we have to create classes for this section. Okay, is that what you mean?
Now, so like let's say I said I assigned you a curriculum. What is curriculum? The group of items, right?
Yes, correct.
Now I want to assign that to you so that there will be a classes kind of thing set up for you that you will be able to complete this assignment.
So they have to attend. Okay.
Yes, you will be able to.
So this curriculum classes is meant for only this group of curricula. Okay. So it's totally different from. How would it be different from items? Okay. So which means I can actually. Okay. Item is one.
I said This entire curriculum you have to complete before, let's say, 30th of June. So
Okay.
I will do what? I will say the first class starts from today,
Okay.
that is 27, and that
Oh,
ends, I mean, start on, let's say, whatever time I gave,
okay.
XYZ. Okay. I put the times and everything. See, check resource conflict and send
Okay.
email notification. That in order to complete this curricula, I am setting some classes.
Yes.
And when you attend these classes, you'll be able to complete your curricula. Means curricula means your item, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what you're doing, you're just downloading or segregating it the based on the classes that you are setting up.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how we complete, right? Now
Okay.
I said I want to complete this. I want to assign it to somebody. Right.
Oh, the
So
timing. Oh, AM. If you want to put the AM, yeah. Space AM. Oh, okay. So we'll start date. Start time. Oh, cohort. If only we need to send to a cohort, right? So if we don't need, we just uncheck.
so I want to share it with all the new hires. Yeah.
Oh, so this one, the same thing, which means I need to create a group of new hires.
Yeah, everything you have to create for yourself. It's not like
Okay.
system will give you, but everything is
Okay.
interlinked
Great. Okay.
with each other. Okay? Now I have 5 items. How it will be done? First will be this, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. All
No.
these will be based on the classes. Of course, if I want to do it, separately, then I will have to create a separate class for it as well.
Okay. So which means for this, before I can create a curriculum classes, I'll make sure the items are created, the classes are done before I create this.
Okay.
Then to assign, right? So
Everything. So anytime you want to create anything,
must
you
create
have
first.
to create these things from the back, like items. I want to create an item. So
Yeah.
for that I have to create the email notification. For that I have to create
Right.
agenda and everything, and then
Yes.
add it there. That's it.
Okay. Then add to here. Okay, got it. So basics have to always create the item with the clause that we want. We create the class for enrollment. Come to here and assign to a group of people. Say, okay, you must complete all these things, and their classes. You just go in and enroll which one they want to attend.
Mm.
Okay. Yes. Understand. Thank you. Oh.
So this is all the click on finish.
Mm.
So this cohort classes and everything will be assigned. This is how you
Oh.
complete
Okay.
the I go to this cohort, and if I want to add something or define something in detail like cohort classes or registration rule and everything, I will set up it one by one. Like user organization, user group reserve, no charges, all these things I will set up. Well,
Mm-hmm.
this is what you do step by step. Once this is done, you just apply those things. This was
Mm.
for curriculum. We'll come to that other part, like we will talk about the program and classes.
Mm.
But let me show you the external link first.
Okay.
I want to create an external link for one of my items. Let's say, for an example, I click on a search. See
Oh.
the time management from Sun Tzu.
So actually
So
someone created it. Oh.
yeah. So this
Mm-hmm.
one someone created. You click on
Oh,
it.
URL. Oh, they actually just copy it from just a copy an external link, that's it, and create image. Oh, okay, cool.
So you add the external image and everything here in the
Mm-hmm.
external. See the URL, the
Yep.
title, description, public, and the image as well. So let's
Mm-hmm.
go and see how we will add a new one. Although this will be same, it will
Mm-hmm.
ask for same information. It will ask for a URL, like for an example,
Mm-hmm.
title URL is valid. So I'm not going into it. I'm just writing it. Description, and in this I said okay, active.
Okay.
Image is
Not
not
very.
working.
They need a HTTP. They need us to enter the HTTP. Interesting.
This is not coming for some reason, but I'll show you. You can edit it from here.
Mm-hmm.
You will have options there, and you can add any picture that you want.
Oh, so you just choose from any files from your system. Oh, okay.
Simple.
And upload. Okay. So where can I find this? What is the purpose of this external link?
So external link, I created an item for you. Let's say I want you to read through this. I want to add some extra uh, information into it. Like you are learning about SAP Learning Hub. Let's say
Yes.
for an
Okay.
example.
Okay.
I said apart from this classes, there will be an external links through which you can also learn about it. Like there
Oh,
is a uh, there is a now a column by Forbes. So if
okay.
you want, you can read about the Forbes column or whatever they have written. So extra knowledge, extra things, the external links that you can go through and gain some knowledge from.
Can we add this external link to like the classes, or is it have to be only for certain?
Yeah, there will be link. There will be link for classes, but
Oh,
classes is what? Classes is not something you have to do it from outside. It will be then online classes, right?
oh,
Classes
okay.
is like you are coming here to learn. In
Okay.
classes, I can say that can be a resource. When
Oh,
I
okay.
add any class, I can say about this class. You can read outside as well from this particular resource. Then again, I
Okay.
have to add this external link.
Okay.
Okay. Now, content. This is very important. Through this, we import these uh, contents connectors. Then we have this OCN. Very important. This is for our uh, integration. So when you click on
Oh,
integration part, and OCN means Open Content Network, means any other content network, maybe LinkedIn,
wow.
Positio, Linda. If you want to
Oh,
add them, so see Coursera,
oh.
edX, Linda, Udacity, all are there.
Oh, that means they can actually
What?
access via the LMS. Oh,
We will see that. So we will add the integration as well. Of course, we will not have system access for Positio or Linda,
okay.
but I'll show you how we can add that.
Okay. Oh,
Then we have question library that we were talking about. Service you can create, you know, exam objective. Okay, let me show you what I just wanted to show you. Yeah, sorry. Application administration,
okay.
landing page setting.
Okay.
Why I wanted to show you today was if you click on it,
Oh,
this is
landing
how
page.
I am looking at my system. If I can show you, if I open a duplicate one, what do I see? At home, what all I see? I see all of them. Can you see? Self-assigned links,
Oh,
available
okay.
classes. And that's what you were asking the first day. But if I
Yeah.
want to make changes in my home page,
Okay. This page. Oh, this is called landing page. Oh, okay.
I have what my learning assignment. I have my learning assignment.
Mm.
Right?
Oh,
My curricula, my team, self-assigned links, available classes,
oh,
self-assigned link, featured, available classes. All of this will be there based on your landing page setting.
oh, okay. So what is the
You want to
action
see?
means what I can cross it and there's an X at the action. What does the X mean
Yeah,
for?
you just remove it. You just
Oh,
remove.
remove. Oh, okay, got it. Oh, so it's
And
all
you want
here.
to
Okay,
add
cool.
anything? Yeah, if you want to add anything, create custom type. Click on it, and system will ask you. But you know where to do it, right? From you go
Yeah,
to admin.
admin. Okay. I'll just enter. I just click on the title says landing page. I just enter the word landing page setting. You bring me there.
You go to system administration.
System.
And
Okay.
you can search from here also. I think it will.
Yeah, correct. I quite like this when I put this landing and you tell me where it is. Quite cool.
You go to system administrator,
Yeah.
then application administration, and then go to landing page setting.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So in JC, we have a little time. Can you teach me how do we actually edit? Is there a way of editing the notification? Can we edit on the default, or we only
Email
can edit,
notification?
or only can edit under the items or classes?
No,
Email
no, no. Email notification we can edit from here.
Okay, because I want to know how can I just create directly from here? You can enter word survey. This under content. Yeah.
Those under content.
Okay. So I just how to create. So I just enter the question under the survey. That's it. Just create a new survey.
Okay.
Maybe that's it. Yeah.
Click
Could be.
on add.
Yeah. Maybe just add new. Okay.
Just
Oh,
give it a name.
okay. Follow-up
Follow-up
survey.
survey or
Yes. I
code.
think it's cost feedback. I think cost feedback is okay. Anyone will do, I think. Oh, okay.
I'm just putting randomly. Yeah. I
Okay.
just click on add and what surveys available. But what about this survey? How would I assign it to somebody? When I come here, I will
Yes.
start adding the questions because survey is
Oh.
like yeah, questions, right?
Mm-hmm.
You start adding those questions.
Oh, okay. So you can add the questions here.
This is for none or instructor.
Okay.
The title for that and instructions.
So this is instruction. Then we click next. Then where is the question? Oh.
Okay, this is you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, I can try and
And
see how to
yeah,
create the questions.
item usage from here you go to this. You use assign any item ID or if not.
Oh, which I know what I mean. You can assign to the ID that the classes. Okay. Yeah, I know what I mean. To send to the classes. Or send to the item also. Oh, okay. Yeah. Got it. Okay.
See, this is edit and goes to options. If I want, I can create option. Is this an anonymous survey? Yes.
Oh, or required for completion. Yes, must complete by 7
Will
days.
be days to complete, 5 days, 3 days, whatever. Include comments field for each question. Yes. So every time you have completed a question, there will be a comment
Comment.
section
Oh, okay.
and then email notification. You go to this email notification and you define the email notification. So for everything, for email notification, you go and you change it from there.
Oh, this is the okay. We have to preview one. Okay, I can take a look to see how it looks like. Yeah,
Yeah,
interesting.
landing
Yeah,
pad is also there.
yeah.
So you
I
can
will.
work
I
on
will also look at this. It's interesting. I'm a bit confused how to edit this. The template looks
it.
interesting.
Done.